Transform your outdoor space with latest front garden landscape trend for 2026. In this video, we showcase modern garden design ideas, low maintenance landscape tips, creative outdoor garden design perfect for any home. Gets inspired and make your little green corner even more magical and special. With these simple and charming tips, like, share with those who love gardening and subscribe to I Love Plants. In this video, you can see landscape garden decoration ideas and your inspiration. Explore beautiful ideas featuring shabby furniture, cozy textile, and bring timeless and extreme feel to your home garden. A small garden does not mean sacrifice charm. Landscape gardens are all about lush greenery, vibrant flowers, or touch of nature. Aesthetic garden ideas for a trending backyard makeover. Give your backyard landscape and trending makeover with 100 aesthetic landscape design ideas. These stylish designs combine modern charm and with bold patterns, unique planters, and natural greenery. Make your outdoor space stand out with green inspiration and minimalist look. So today video is very important for those people who have a small garden. If you think that a small garden are not good for decoration, for this video is a proof that a small garden always look good. It depends on how you decorate your garden. So this video will very helpful for you. Your garden is an extension for your living space, a place to relax, connect with nature, and express your personal style. Transforming it into a beautiful and elevating space does not require a complete overhaul with a touch of creativity. And the right decorative element, you can elevate its charm and create a space you truly love. Let's explore some inspiring garden and landscape design ideas to spark your imagination. Looking to give your garden a beautiful refresh? Stunning planter ideas that will completely transform your outdoor space. No matter in size, you can use upcycled containers to stylish DIY arrangement. These ideas brings both charm and creativity into your garden area. These ideas are not easy to create, but they will also help you bring max nature and your inspiration. This will really enhance your garden beauty and charming look in your garden and your outdoor space. Brings your garden to life with stunning DIY garden decoration ideas that blend creativity, sustainability, and charm. Learn how upcycle everyday items into unique and beautiful garden decor, from rustic green leaf inspired ornamentals or vibrant planters crafted from recycled material. Discover budget-friendly projects that not only chance your outdoor space but also contribute to a greener planters. Whether you are adding lush greenery, whimsical accent, or bold centerpiece design, these will stunning and amazing. These ideas will transform your garden into an eco-friendly oasis which now and start your journey towards a more beautiful, personalized garden. So you can creative and amazing ideas to garden decor from recycled items, eco-friendly garden art that look expensive but is not done to a budget using upcycled treasures. Transforming your garden into an eco-friendly paradise does not have a cost of fortune. With a bit of creativity and time to already have life vines, rocks, umbrellas, frames, or shelves and waste material. Create a stunning personal garden decor that as beautiful as it's unstable. Upcycle gives you the chance to turn everyday describe into one-of-a-kind treasures that brings charm, color, and function to your outdoor space. Each recycled piece tells a story, whether it's an old rose organizer turned into a vertical herb garden to metal hanger shapes into elegant planters. These DIY ideas are perfect for a small garden, cottages style, backyard, or anyone's garden who want to upcycle with creativity. You can see how simple tires and bottles can become animals, planters, and decorative wonders that brings your space look very amazing and beautiful. charming oasis or a vibrant garden space can be a rewarding project and dear or enhanced way to enhance your outdoor space. With creative garden decoration, some pudding birds houses enhance your garden beauty and charming look in your garden. You can decorate some items to bring different colorful, use brightly painted flower pots and use two different materials to shine paints and create a new items. In this video we observed that the old material for creativity in house, garden, front yard and backyard make to look very charming and beautiful. You can see different ideas for your garden with a touch of creativity and the right decorate element. You can elevate your charm and create a space you truly love. Let's explore some inspiring garden decoration ideas to spark your imagination. This exploration of garden decoration ideas aims to inspire your two personal lives, your touch and nature, and create a haven that reflects your individual taste. Garden decoration is about imbuing your outdoor space with your unique personality. Your perfect rustic charm, modern, minimalist, or ambiance, fairy tale, and aesthetic look in your garden.
I hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. And hit the bell icon. Don't miss out any upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Like and share this video with your friends if you enjoyed our ideas. Write in the comments which ideas you liked the most and what topic would you like to see in my future videos. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and safe. Goodbye.